Nice, with passion and love. And voila, take a look. Wow. Wow. Amazing one. Take a look of the seeds inside. Just joking, guys, we are in my studio, Italy. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Joking, guys. We're not driving. We are in my studio in Italy, and take a look. Take a look what we have here. Some amazing seeds.
Pumpkin seeds.
Why we don't make a pizza?
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course.
So today we are going to show you how to make this fantastic pizza dough made with the seeds. A mix of seeds pizza dough. Let's see how to make the full dough, the full recipe. Welcome to the best pizza channel. And now finally, after 10 minutes, our roasted seeds are ready. Wow, take a look. Fantastic. Here is the recipe of a mixed seeds pizza dough for home and business. 450 grams of 00 flour, 300 grams of Poolish, 20 grams of salt, 300 grams of cold water. And then to finish, the key ingredients, a nice 60 grams of roasted mixed seeds. Let's start the dough. The water. Put the Poolish that we made 24 hours ago. Nice, in the water. Let's mix everything. We need to melt the Poolish with the water. Now let's add the rest of the water. Mix up again. Now it's time to add our nice seeds. Just like that. Nice mix everything. Nice, with passion and love. The flour. Put it in like it's raining outside. Nice. Done. Now let's get our spatula and let's start to mix. Let's start to put everything together. Up, down, from the top. Down from the top, from the sides. Until it's all together. And now it's time to add the salt. The hands of the art, of love, of passion. Doing this movement will integrate more air inside your dough, so the pizza will come out more puffy. Done. So now let's let it rest for 10 minutes, just like that. Don't do anything, don't cover and nothing. These 10 minutes, the gluten will become more strong. Okay, here you go. 10 minutes pass by, and like you can see, the dough is nice and strong. Okay, there we go. Let's dump it in the counter. Voila. Now we are ready to work the dough a little bit on the counter. And grab it, and we have to make like a balloon, a big ball. There we go. Nice, couple of times, just like that, and basically we are closing the dough. Done. And voila, take a look. Wow. Amazing. Add a little bit of olive oil on top, just a little bit, this way your hands, they don't stick to the dough. The more is hydrated, the more soft and puffy will become your dough. So pay attention of this step, because that's how you close the dough. You don't want to add too much flour, because the flour will change your hydration. So you'll notice that the dough will be sticky in the beginning, but every time that you let it rest and you do this step, your dough will become less sticky and the gluten will become more strong. Here you go, the dough. It's ready. And let's put it in, and voila. So now let's close it and let it rest 1 hour at room temperature. After 1 hour, take a look of the crust. Give me the oil.
Now is the time to make the ball, okay?
Time to make the balls.
Balls.
Vai. Little bit of olive oil in your hands. Tap, 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 tap. Little bit on the counter here. And ready. We're gonna try to take it out with your finger or with the spatula from the counter. There we go. Like you can see, it's full of air already. A look of the amazing air inside there. Only 1 hour. So now we're gonna go ahead and close the door just like that. Take a look. Just like that, like a balloon. There we go. Now, like you can see, 1 hour resting, the dough got a lot of hair. So now we are ready to make the actual dough balls. Amazing seeds. The goal is to keep this part on top. So make it long, and we're gonna make the balls around 280. Wow. Amazing. 1 and 3. This one is a little bit too big. Gonna fix it and done. This one we're gonna use it anyway to make it like a body style thin crust. So now let's take it and we're gonna put it in the box just like that. 1, 2 and 3. Done. Close it. And now let it rest at room temperature for about 2 hours. And here you go, guys. After 1 hour and a half exactly was at room temperature. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the pizza. Francesco is gonna make a special pizza for you today. So let me stretch it and then I'm gonna make the pizza. There we go. Get flour, all the sides. There we go. Take a little bit more. Then one shot. Take it out and put it in the flour. Boom. So this is how you stretch. Again, press, 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 press. Not too much, because with the seeds inside. There we go. Put it down. Now let's take off all the air. And we're gonna push the air to the crust. One end here, boom, on top. Little bit of flour under, and then we are ready to make the pizza. Of course, this pizza we're gonna make it white to taste the dough, because we are focused on the dough in this type of pizza. This is basically a gourmet pizza. Amazing. Francesco, vai. Olive oil. Perfect. Done. Provolone cheese. Fresh mozzarella. Parmesan cheese. Let's put it on the peel. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. And now let's go ahead and let's cook this pizza. Let's go ahead and let's turn it. Put it back. Same spot. The pizza will cook nicely and evenly when you make sure to turn it, because the flame is only one side. The temperature, keep it a little bit low, around 750 Fahrenheit. And the pizza, voila, it's almost ready. And voila, guys, the pizza is nicely done. Continue. Little bit of mortadella. I think I'm gonna show you the crust in a little bit. Amazing, Francesco, done. Now let's see, let's take a close look inside the dough. Take a look of the seeds inside. This is probably the most healthier pizza I ever tasted before. Wow. So now let's cut this part. You'll see that you're gonna have a crust nicely made with the seeds. Wow. Now it's time to taste it, the best part. Oh, so light, so fluffy, so soft. Take a look. Now it's time to taste, Francesco. I taste those roasted seeds. Buona, eh? Cosa ne pensi tu, Francesco?
Buona, buona. Si sente proprio la tostatura dei semini, soprattutto quelli di zucca che sono più grossi.
Wow. You suggest to do this pizza at home?
Yeah, of course.
Guys, now it's your turn. Try to make this pizza at home. And then if the dough is too wet, just put a little bit of extra flour. And make sure to follow the video. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you so much, and subscribe and like.